Hey, it's Adam. I'm in Ricketts Glen State Park in Pennsylvania. We're gonna go on one of the best waterfall hikes in the state. I'm very excited, so let's go see some waterfalls. So we headed on to the Falls Trail. We took the trail to the right, headed down to Ganoga Glen. I hear some water already, so we might be coming across our first waterfall. Let's keep moving. We finished hiking down through the Ganoga Glen section. We saw 10 waterfalls. They were majestic. We are now at Water's Meet, which is right here. We're gonna hike south along Kitchen Creek, see a couple more waterfalls before we head back up the Glen Lee side. Let's go. We made it to the end of the waterfalls on this trail, but before we head back, there is a run over here called Shingle Cabin Run. And if you hike about 400 or 500 yards up that way, there is about a 35-foot waterfall. It is unnamed, not named by the DCNR, but it is up there, and you can go check it out if you can cross the creek. We made it back up to Waters Meet. We're about to cross over Kitchen Creek now and head up the Glen Lee side. There's more waterfalls waiting for us. Well, we saw even more waterfalls, but we're done here on the Falls Trail. We're gonna take the Highland Trail back to our car, but that's not all the falls in the park, so let's go check them out. Okay, we came south a little bit down to Route 118 to the Evergreen parking area where we saw Adams Falls, which was awesome. Especially, I loved it because my name is Adam. We went under the bridge there, and tucked away in there they have another falls that some call Kitchen Creek Falls. So we added those to our list. The DCNR recognizes 22 named waterfalls in Ricketts Glen State Park, but if you're adventurous, you can see even more than that. Thanks for coming along with me today. I'm still going far. Adam's still wagging. Please subscribe.